Ever since the day that you went away.
Hi guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video we're going to tackle what are the world's biggest problem of 2020, and also we're going to tackle what are the causes and how we can resolve this problem. So let's get started. One of the most biggest world problem in the environment is global warming from fossil fuels. What are the causes of this problem? When fossil fuels are burned, they release large amounts of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, into the air. Greenhouse gases trap heat in our atmosphere, causing global warming. The easiest way to cut back on greenhouse gas emissions is simply to buy less stuff, whether by foregoing an automobile or employing a reusable grocery sack. Cutting back on consumption results in fewer fossil fuels being burned to extract, produce, and ship products around the globe. What are the causes of water pollution? Water is uniquely vulnerable to pollution, known as universal solvent. Water is able to dissolve more substances than any other liquid on Earth. It's the reason we have cool 8 and brilliant blue waterfalls. It's also why water is so easily polluted. Toxic substances from farms, towns, and factories readily dissolve into and mix with it, causing water pollution. The only way to resolve this problem is we need to clean our surroundings, avoid throwing garbage to the bodies of water, and also avoid throwing the substances from the factories and from the farm. And be responsible netizens to avoid this pollution.
Plastic pollution causes of negligence. In fact, it is estimated that 80% of marine litters comes from land. This pollution comes mainly from household waste, which is purely recycled, dumped in landfills, or abandoned in nature. Plastic pollution has a solution of refusing any single-use plastic that do not need. Example, straw, plastic bag, take-out utensils, take-out containers, etc. Instead, we can use reusable version of those products. Habitat destruction is a major cause of biodiversity loss. Habitat loss is caused by deforestation, overpopulation, pollution, and global warming. Species that are physically large and those living in forests and ocean are more affected by habitat. The principal solution to biodiversity loss are the reduction of land and soil, degradation, especially related to agriculture, and the integration of biodiversity strategy with other major environmental concerns, such as climate change, and also with human development concerns such as poverty reduction.
Hi guys, this is my environmental issue and it's called deforestation. Deforestation is cutting trees in the forest, and it causes air pollution, lacking of oxygen, and also flood. Let's start off flood. Example, there was a flood. The flood will long lasting because there's no trees to absorb the flood or the water in the street. The second was air pollution. We all know in our planet there's a lot of cars, factories. If we cut our that we have a lot of oxygen in our planet because there's a lot of factories and cars that produce air pollution. And the second one was lacking of oxygen. If you cut tree, And we all know the tree was the producer of oxygen. So if you cut tree, we decrease oxygen. Every one cut of trees. That's my environmental issue. Goodbye. Take care always. Be safe.